Hi everyone, it's Liv at We Draw It, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Katy cat. So let's get started. Start by drawing 2 circles for Katy cat's eyes. Now we're going to draw another set of circles within those circles. And we're going to do that one more time. Now we're going to form Katy cat's cat-like eyes. So draw an arch, and then stop and drop that point down. And do the same for the other side. Now let's go ahead and thicken those lines. Notice that the edges of her eye are a little bit thicker than the inner eye. Now let's draw eyelids by forming a line on top of those eyes. So one line here, and we'll repeat for the other side. Now to draw Katy cat's eyelashes, we're going to make some curved upward strokes on each side. There's 3 eyelashes on this side, and we'll do 3 eyelashes on the other eye. Now for her nose, we're going to make an upside down triangle that has rounded corners. And to make her mouth, we're going to write a J, starting from the tip of her nose. Then we're going to make a backwards J on the other side to complete her mouth. Now to form her face, we're going to imagine an oval sitting on top of 2 circles side by side. And then we're going to draw a single line following those shapes. But make sure you leave the top of the head open. So we're going to draw a flower right about here. And we're going to start by making a circle for the center of our flower. Then we're going to make a C shape or a hook shape all the way around that circle to form our petals. And I'm going to draw about 5 petals, but you can draw as many petals as you like. Now let's complete the top of her head. Just draw an arch . Now for her ears, we're going to draw an upside down V. It's a little bit rounded or curved. And we're going to make a smaller upside down V for the inner ear. Now let's go ahead and add 3 small strokes for our kitty cat's whiskers on each cheek. Now we could start forming the dress by drawing a half circle right under kitty cat's face. And our dress is going to have a bell shape. Let's draw a line on one side, and we're going to do the same on the other side, but don't go down all the way because we're going to draw her ice cream first. So her ice cream is going to be about that big, so start by drawing a half circle for the top of her ice cream. Now we're going to draw a series of U's that are connected to complete the top of her ice cream. Now we have to imagine that kitty cat is holding her ice cream, so you can draw a circle or even kind of a rounded triangle for her holding her ice cream. And then we're going to draw a V, making sure that the V does not go over her hand to form her ice cream cone. Now we could draw some lines that crisscross each other to form the waffle cone. Now let's add a cherry by drawing a circle and just drawing a line for her stem for her cherry. Now let's go ahead and complete that bell shape for her dress. Now for her sleeves, you can imagine drawing almost like an L shape. And they do the same for the other side, but like a backward L. And to form her hand, we're just going to draw a line downwards, and we're going to give a small bump for her hand. To draw her tail, we're going to imagine a loose S. Draw that loose S, and then we're just going to draw another line following that S shape to form her tail. Now for her legs, we're going to draw two lines right from the middle bottom of her dress downwards. Now I'm going to make two dots on either side of those lines on the bottom, just as a guide to where I'm going to form my other lines. So draw another line that's slightly angled on each side. And then to make kitty cat's feet, we're just going to do a small bump and then draw and close it back to that line. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Now at this point you can draw some dress details. I'm going to give her a belt by drawing two lines across the middle of her dress. And then I'm going to add some more flowers, just like we did her flower in her hair. So I'm just drawing those C's or those hooks all the way around our circle. kitty cat is wearing a two-tone dress, so I'm not going to make that flower pattern go above that belt. And that's Kitty Cat. You guys did it. Thank you so much for drawing with me, you guys. I hope you had fun. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So thank you again, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.